What's going on, everybody? I know I said that I'm going to wait until Monday to make a video, but I had to hit you guys up because it's starting to work, and that makes me very excited. Granted, as you can see, it's only $7. Today is Saturday, so this is realistically day 4, but I'm creating traffic, and I've actually made some money. So that is the beginning. I'm pumped. I'm excited. There's a little bit more to it. We'll talk about, since I've already got you guys on, we'll talk a little bit more about the landing page and autoresponders, which is really playing a good part in me beginning my process. As you can see on my reporting here, I've got 143 views already. What that's doing is it's allowing me to get out there with more people and push more promotional links. So really a big fan of ClickBank. Number one so far, giving you what I found that works, so that you can do the same thing. But I'm telling you, you've got to use some kind of marketing tool that has a landing page and an autoresponder. Okay, it's like mandatory, because those hits exploded because I'm using that system. So I'm going to go again, and go to get response, which we talked about last time. We went through building the landing page. Talked about creating the autoresponder. This is like key stuff for us, so we got to get this. Now, it is free. You get like a 30-day free trial or whatever. And there also is I think it's like $15 a month. And I'm only one more sale away from paying for it, so it's totally worth it for me. But again, I played around with landing page stuff again. Just go back to it. This is kind of the one that I made 100%. What I'll do is I'll actually put it in the link in the description below, so you guys can kind of see what it is. It brings people in. Go ahead and work with it. Put your information in even, and watch how the autoresponder works, so that way you can actually see what happens. Not to mention, there is a cool little thing in there you can't purchase if you want. But if you really want to understand how it works, I'm going to put this landing page in the description box below. Click on it, see what happens, and how it auto-generates an email that goes to your auto-generates a message that goes to your email. So make sure that you're doing that after this video so you can see how it works. I'm also going to put in the description below the link for Get Response. I'm telling you, you can't go wrong getting this thing. It's creating traffic. It's made me $7.27. Again, I wanted to get on Monday and have some more stuff for you, but I couldn't hide the fact that I was excited. And then when I went to this little deal on ClickBank, I've got a green bar on there that I haven't had before. So it's a really short video this time. Again, I'll get on Monday and I'll give you some more information. Please like my page, put in some comments, anything that might work for you, and take a look in the description box. I'll put my landing page in there, and I'll put a link in there for what site I'm using to create my landing page. So thanks again, guys. Appreciate the views. Like me below, and we'll talk to you again soon.